Man, what is this? Last year highest salary goes 64 lakh per annum. It is very much, man. Hey guys, today we are going to talk about Sri Siva Subramanian Nadar College of Engineering, which is established at 1996 in Chennai. This college have all the necessary labs required in engineering, such as biomedical lab and electronics and electrical lab, computer labs, also mechanical labs, chemical labs, every sort of lab. And this college also have a 250-acre green lush beautiful campus with a 1,000-seater auditorium in it. And this college has every sort of playgrounds, such as indoor basketball ground. This is a very big thing to have indoor basketball ground. And it also have its own cricket stadium. And this college also promotes sports from having a sports quota in its mode of admission. I will tell you everything about this college, just stick till the end of this video. And one of the major attraction of this college campus is that this college campus is just located 5 km away from the beach. So if you want to go beach, just grab your cycle and go. It is like that simple. It is so near to the beach. So this is one of the best thing, I think. And now let's come to the college. So this SSN College of Engineering graded A++ by NAAC, and it comes 44th rank among all in NIRF ranking of engineering. So this is a very huge achievement that is coming in the top 50 list. Okay, so let's talk about what are the programs we are getting in this college. So there are a total of 8 programs. It is like electrical and electronic engineering, and ECE, computer science engineering, IT, mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, biomedical engineering, civil engineering. So these are the branches you are going to get in engineering in this college. So now let's talk about the placement. That is the main thing which you come here for the placement. How is the placement? So you can see the companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google. These are super dream companies that many of are just dreaming of. Samsung, PayPal, Dell. So these are very big names. If you want in automobile, you can see the big names like Royal Enfield, Ford, Yamaha, TVS, Ashok Leyland, Hyundai. So these names are very huge, man. Efforts. So these companies come to this college. And now let's talk about the average placement that which this college is getting. In last year, it got 6.1 lakh per annum average placement. This is more than enough for this level of college. It is very good. And if you are going to see that super dream offers coming to this college, the last year it is 89 students got super dream offers. Super dream offers are the offers which is like 10 lakh, more than 10 lakh offers. So this is very huge, man. And dream offers, it is like 5 lakh to 10 lakh per annum. So it comes around 298 offers given to students. This is very good, man. That many students are getting more than decent packages like 5 to 10 lakh per annum. And if you are going to see the highlights, the percentage of students placed last year, it is 91%. If any college is giving more than 90% of placement, it is very good college in my opinion. The average salary of top 10 students, you mean there are a total of 1,000 students. If you are going to take the 100 students, how much they get the average salary is like 15 lakh per annum. Oh man, this is good. And the highest salary, man, what is this? Last year highest salary goes 64 lakh per annum. It is very much, man. It is very much. 64 lakh per annum is like a super dream offer if you get it. And that is what I'm talking about. If you get giving your full effort in this college, you are getting offers like this. Many students are getting 40 lakh per annum offer. So these are super dream offers if you are coming to this college. And now let's talk about the admission, the mode of admission. How can you get into this college, this underrated college? It is really underrated. Many students don't know about this college also. So if you are going to say this college doesn't need any JEE mains marks, any COMET K marks, anything. This college just take admission on the merit based from your 12 board marks. 65% of seats are reserved for the TNEA counseling, DOTE counseling, what you wanna say. These are the Anna University counseling. So 65% of seats are reserved in that. 35% of seats are reserved in management quota, and 25 seats are reserved for the sports quota if you have played any national, state level, matches. If you are going to take your certificates with that, you will get admission in very low marks here. And I will also show you the cutoff which are going to be here, so just wait till the end of this video. Until then, yeah, 25 seats are offered for the toppers of the government rural schools, and there the tuition fee will be totally free if you are from this. And yeah, 15 topper students of state board are also offered free education in this college. So these are some good initiative by this college for giving scholarship to the toppers, the full scholarship 100%. So yeah, now let's come to the main question, cutoffs. So for cutoffs, it is of total of 200 marks. So now let's talk about the first, the TNEA or DOTE counseling, Anna University counseling mainly. Okay, so if you are getting marks from 194 to 198, 199, then you are going to get placed in this college. Calculation of marks. So how to calculate that? You can see here it is a mat. I will let you see that. You can see here it is mat. Total of 100 marks, how much marks you got in mat, plus physics plus chemistry marks average, which means divided by 2, average of both subjects, and addition of that mat plus average of physics and chemistry, it will get you the total marks. And if your total marks reach 194 to 198 or 199, you are going to get branches, seats in this college. But in CBSE and ICSE board, many students are not able to get that much marks. So there is management quota for you all, for giving 40,000 or 50,000, you will get to enroll in the management quota, in which you are going to get the admission in low marks. Actually, you are going to get plus 5 marks in your total marks you got. Just like if, for example, if you got 190 marks or 189 marks, here I shown that 189 marks, and if you are getting plus 5 marks, it means you are getting 194 marks. So if you are getting 189 marks also, you are going to get seat in this college. So the total marks which we calculated here plus 5 marks which we are getting for management quota is equal to the total management quota marks, and that will get you seat in this college. And for with management quota, you also have to give the aptitude test and interview. In aptitude test, there are very basic level of questions like chemistry, physics, GK, maths. There are very basic level of 10 class, 12 class questions. There is no such deal. Okay, and yeah, there is tips for sports quota students. If you are a sports person, if you have any certificates or anything, you just grab and take to college, because that will be so helpful for you. Because in management quota, if you get 189 marks, just 190 marks, then it will be only you are able to take a seat. But in interview, if you are showing your sports quota marks and sports quota certificates, sports certificates, then you will come under sports quota, and you will get admission in very less marks, like 185 marks, 180 marks. Yeah, my few friends go here in 182 marks also. So this is a very big chance for you if you are a sports geek, if you are having any certificate in national or state level. So you will definitely try for this. So now let's come to the branch wise cutoff of this college. As you can see in counseling, but yeah, in counseling, in the TNEA or DOTE counseling, you are getting reservation also. Just for like in CSE, 199 marks, it is for general category. Okay, and if you are from a SC, it is going to be like 170 marks. So this is like that. I am showing here the general category marks. If you want to know your category marks, just comment down below. I will reply to your specific category cutoff. Okay, so let's talk about the cutoffs now. For computer science, it is like 199, and in management quota just minus 5 dash marks, and in management quota it's like 194 marks. Okay, so I will talk about the TNEA marks. In computer science, it is like 199. In information technology, it is 196.25. In ECE, it is 198.75. In EEE, it is 197.25. In civil, it is 196.75. In mechanical, it is 195.25. In biomedical, it is 196.25. In chemical, it is 195.75. Just minus 5 the marks from this all, and you will get to know that how much marks you will get and place in management quota. So yeah, this is all the branch wise cutoffs. So at last, let's talk about what are the fees of this college. So talking about the fees, the total fees, the total approx fee you are going to give including hostel charges is 3 lakh. 1 lakh for hostel and 2 lakh is like this college fees. Okay. So if you are going to be a hosteler, you have to give 3 lakh in first year of your college, and if you are from management quota, then you have to give 3 lakh. If you are from DOTE counseling or TNA counseling, you are going to give 2,30,000 rupees. And the hostel fees is 92,500. If you don't want to take hostel, just minus this price and that will be your total price. So this is all the fees structure of this college. So by this I am going to end this video. I hope you all get help from this video. If you get any help, then please leave a like, subscribe to my channel. It gives me so much motivation. I am putting my every effort to help you all. So please, if it's possible, just go and subscribe. It is totally free. It is not giving it is not taking any cost of you. So please subscribe to my channel. It gives me so much motivation. And if you want to get review of any other colleges, then just put down the name of college. I will surely make a video on that college also. And if you have any query or doubt, just come into my Instagram and I will reply you under 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. I am so free nowadays. So yeah, this is all about this video. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.